Okay, so let's take a look at the hot topic assignment. The purpose of this assignment is to give you an opportunity to dig in a little bit to some current issue, some hot topic that's current in education. So this semester, we're going to look at online learning and technology tools, achievement gap and dropout prevention, charter and homeschools, and brain-based learning and neurological diversity. So as partners, two of you each are going to sign up for one of these topics, and then I'll just tell you ahead of time, these pairs will be grouped when you go for the debate assignment. So make sure that the topic you pick is one you're interested, because you'll be looking at it 2 times in this class. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for one of the hot topic assignments, and if you go to the groups section there on Blackboard, you can get to where the hot topics are posted. So we have charter schools, dropout prevention, homeschooling, etc. So you've already signed up. Now the neurodiversity only has 1 person. If you would like to join the brain-based group, you can, or if you'd like to stay with neurodiversity, I think it might be neat to have a discussion with the 3 of you on 2 separate pieces. But let me know what you'd like to do with that. I'll cut you some slack because I know we lost 1 person from the class. Okay, so you've signed up for your hot topic, and what you're going to do is come up with a list of 5 to 7 guiding questions that are going to drive your research into your topic. Let me just get back here. So with your partner, you'll come up with those 5 questions. Then you'll come up with an interactive presentation where you will share with us what you find. So you need to find resources to address these topics. And I'll just give you a heads up for the debate assignment. Some of those resources need to be peer reviewed, so from journals. So go ahead and start looking for information that you can forward to the next assignment. So you're going to, in a 10 to 15 minute, no more than 15 minutes, I would do slightly less, especially if you upload your stuff to YouTube, because the max of YouTube is 15 minutes, so we don't want to go over. Plus, we just don't want to be too long in our presentations. So maximum 15-minute presentation. Investigate these questions with a minimum of 5 research sources, including at least 2 peer-reviewed articles. Also, we'd like you to interview a current K-12 educator. This could be a teacher or administrator who's knowledgeable about your topic. And you're going to post a presentation about that. Everybody will watch everybody else's presentations, and then we will move that forward in the debate assignment. So that should give you an overview for the hot topic. So I also wanted to briefly go over the rubric for the hot topic assignment, so you know how you're evaluated. The content and presentation obviously are the largest part of the grades. So the presentation needs to be informative and interactive. In other words, you need to make sure there's some way for people to respond, either through a Padlet or some kind of little project, or some way that people can get involved. Make sure that it has strong visual support, that it's clear and easy to follow, that it's obvious there was equal participation from both partners. So either put your names on the slides so we can see who created which slides, or somehow indicate how you each participated. If each one of you wants to present a section of it, one of you could do maybe part 1, the other one could do part 2, and you could post both those links. Or if you got together, you could alternate when you present. So you could, the ideal for me would be that you're both presenting together, but I understand that's sometimes not possible. But I want to make sure that there is equal participation, so make sure that that's obvious. Audio and visual quality is high. So the content, make sure that your 5 to 7 relevant questions were posted, that you answer them. It's obvious that you answered them, and that your answers are supported by detailed and accurate information. Make sure you include a slide which shows where you got your resources. You should have at least 2 peer-reviewed articles, and make sure that you include interview questions. You're going to be interviewing someone So make sure that you include that information in your hot topic, what people who are current educators have to say about it. And that finally, organization and mechanics, there's a strong introduction, a strong conclusion, minimal of grammatical errors, and when you're posting your references, that they are in APA format. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me.